Wait, what is that? That's not a statue. Everything is frozen solid. Ready? Ready? It's moving.
Look at the size of that thing!
It is actually real!
I have never seen anything like it.
Wait! What's that? It's a head. That's engineered metal. There's glass behind it. It's enormous! Here's the second one. The body goes all the way back. We need a full extraction team. We found a massive engineered structure beneath the glacier. Coordinates are 4592. Hold it right there, operator. Stabilizers out. Steady on the left, clear that shelf. Incredible, it is perfectly intact. The support system is still intact. Hold steady on line 4! Clear the base now! We actually found it! Lockdown Unit 4. All connect.
Fire up the main line! Look at the size of that thing!
It is actually real!
I have never seen anything like it.
All units, load is entering the main highway. Copy that. Escort vehicles in position. Let's get to work. Steady on the left, clear by 2 meters. We don't change anything until it's documented. The passenger section is inside the body. Hold it steady. It's coming loose. Okay, lower it down. We are in. Check this journal for cracks. No corrosion here. Flange thickness is 25.4. Recorded, that's within limits. Passenger rail feed, uncoupled. Local power grid, isolated.
Interior complete.
The exterior is finished. All systems ready. Start the engine. Everything is ready. Let's take it outside.
We actually brought it back.
And now it can finally travel again. She's running beautifully. Look at those mountains. She's climbing. We really brought it back.